That's Guangzhou. It's raining. Super rainy today. Super cloudy. Look at that. Whoa. Big rain. So it looks like I'll be staying inside for a while. Although, that's not so bad either. Finally got my Wi-Fi fixed. It was out for like 2 days. And the Wi-Fi makes the TV work, which there's 2 channels I can watch basically, which is World Cup, which is still in Chinese, and then the one English channel, which is news 24/7, mostly about China and how it's going in the world, CGTN. Can you see that down there? I wonder if you can see it. Super heavy rain. Miss my wife. Disclaimer.